Criminology word of the day, intuition. So, yung word na intuition, kung meron kang jowa, alam mo to. Lalo na kung babae yung jowa mo. Kasi ito yung mga tamang hinala, di ba? So, here's the meaning of the word, intuition. So, the word intuition is a noun which means the power or faculty of attaining to direct knowledge or cognition without evident rational thought and inference, immediate apprehension or cognition, knowledge or conviction gained by intuition, quick and ready insight. Kumbaga, pag sinabi nating intuition, eto yung nagets mo na kaagad ang isang bagay kahit hindi pa siya ganun kalinaw, kahit wala masyadong, kumbaga, evidence para matukoy kung ang isang bagay ay totoo nga o hindi. So, yung Tagalog ng intuition is kutob or pakiramdam. Kumbaga, kapag nasabi mong meron kang kutob sa isang bagay, hindi mo pa talaga sure, may feeling inside you that you just believe that something is what it is. Pero walang hard evidence, yan. That's intuition. Kutob. So, yung word na intuition, maririnig nyo ito sa mga investigation subjects ninyo. Kasi merong characteristic ang investigator na masasabing dapat meron siyang intuition, meron siyang kutob, and alam nyo yung TH, tamang hinala. Parang yung mga jowa nyo nga. Stay tuned for more criminology vocabulary. Bye!